Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we will try to uh, decode this code which we have actually created by the Cobalt Strike. Uh, so when you are attending any interviews, any product-based companies or any service-based companies like MNCs, they will be giving this kind of encoded and encrypted code to you, okay? And they will ask you to decode this. So this is the uh, that was the one of the round they will be conducting. So maximum they will be using the cobalt strike based encoded payloads. So your job is to decode this. So here you can find the text has been heavily encrypted, sorry, encoded. So it was mentioned encoded command. So this is also a part of a malware analysis. So when you are in a security researchers team or any labs team in any of organization, cyber security based organization, so there will be a separate labs will be working. So they will be finding all the malwares and they will be blocking the hash in their antivirus products. So let's see, try to decode this. So here you can see the code. So let's copy the code. So I was using one of the website called CyberChef. Let me load the CyberChef. I'll do one thing. Let me start a Visual Studio too. So let me open a new text file. So this is the base64 code which we have. It's very big. So we will do our first step. So here you can find the AA equal to. So we will decode that. So if any of the strings, if you notify the equal to symbol, then it will be base64. Just implement the from base64 function. So now you can see some weird text format null. You need to remove the null bytes. So remove the null bytes. So now you can find the memory stream, and from base64 something has been written. We'll copy this and we'll paste it in a sorry, we'll use the yeah, we'll use this. So now you can find another code. So from base64, so we can understand it's a base64 code which has been encoded, and in the end of the line they mentioned it's a input output compression. So compression model will be a gun zip. Here you can find gzip stream. So what we'll do, we will take this code. So here you can find let me take the null bytes. So we know one thing, this was encoded by base64. So we used base64. So and it was obfuscated. They used the gzip compression. So we will search for a gzip. So here you can find two things, gzip and a gunzip. So gzip is telling compressing data using the deflate algorithm, gzip header, and gunzip telling decompresses the data which has been compressed using the deflate algorithm. Okay, so we know it actually compressed, so we need to decompress that. So let's take this, and here you can find some coding. We'll copy paste this. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. So this code which was encoded with the base64, so no problem. And here you can find a few things. The XOR BXOR35. So XOR is a encryption method. So if you want to know about the XOR, just let's go to Google and we will see XOR encryption. So here you can find XOR is a encryption method. So the payload has been encrypted, and if there is an encryption, we need a key to decrypt anyway. So you can see the key BXOR35. 35 is the key anyway. So we will take the let's remove the gunzip. So now the base64 has been removed. Let's decode this. So XOR, and here you can you need to give the key. So we know the key is 35 and it was in the hex format. Let me change it to decimal. So now you can find a few things. So you can see the user agent is a Mozilla compatible Windows NT 5.1, and you can see the threat actor IP. So that's our IP, the Cobalt Strike IP which we have created, 18.27 here. So now you can confirm. So this payload was connecting to the 18.27, and the user agent is this one. Okay, so we know this was connecting to the once the payload has been executed, the base64 I mean this code. Okay, I mean once the evil.hta has been executed on the machine, so it will execute and it will connect it to this IP. Okay, so as a part of our recommendations, you can block this IP in a firewall or anything, so that will stop the attacks. That will stop the reverse connections. Okay, so these are the things you can investigate when there is a encoded or encrypted command which was given. Okay, so this is the CTF round. They will be asking if you are attending any blue team based interviews. Okay, so we'll hop off this video and we will discuss our next things in next videos. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.